Let me tell you, as president, I am going to give you a run for your money. Just last month, I had to read 4,057 pages of the General Appropriations Act for 2025. Because I reviewed it, analyzed it, and yes, in parts, vetoed it. And so for those of you, and up to now, I cannot find those damned blank items. We'll keep looking, but I really am convinced that they simply do not exist because it is not allowed to exist. So for those of you who think the presidency is just handshakes, photo ops, I assure you that fine print is alive in my office as well.
A few moments later.
Noong pong na isagawa po ang budget, definitely hindi po detalyado ang kanyang pagkakaalam kung ano ba ang mga insertions ng mga nasabing senador. Pero ngayon po, dahil nakita po talaga at napansin po talaga ng Pangulo na anong nangyari sa pondo para sa flood control projects at ito ay naging bunga na rin para malaman ang mga ganyang klaseng insertions.